So let me share my screen and let's jump into this MagickFunnels review. And even before I'm going to show the sales page, let's check out the competition. So obviously the biggest competitor out there is ClickFunnels. Very, very expensive, anywhere from $97 per month to $1,500 per month. That's the new option for collective. I don't even know exactly what it does, but you essentially get unlimited everything, but it's $1,500 and $100 per month on the cheap side. Convertri, another competitor, a little bit cheaper, but still you're gonna have to be paying anywhere from $53 per month to $166 per month. So a little bit cheaper, but still a monthly fee. And lead pages anywhere from $25 per month to $200 per month. So again, I think this is the cheapest option, but still you're paying per month, 25 bucks per month. Okay, so that's the competition. And right now let's check out the sales page. So as you can see, it says April 2021, 100% done for you. Buyer traffic, sales, commissions, and funnels. MagickFunnels, the world's best traffic, sales, and funnel app. Groundbreaking one-click app creates automated funnels and gets you instant buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. These done-for-you funnels are making us over $1,200 each per day. Okay, so scrolling down here, 3 simple steps. Massive proof behind it, obviously. So Glynn is using these kind of funnels to make, as you can see, he made $125,000 right here. So on Warrior Plus alone, pretty amazing. That's Glynn, that's the guy behind this product. You probably know him already, an amazing marketer. Scrolling down here, you can go through all of this in your own time as always. MagickFunnels, that's the name of this new product. Some testimonials right here. He says what is included. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. Some more proof. You are getting all of the bonuses that are mentioned here on the sales. This time it's worth almost $4,000, guys. 30 days money back guarantee, so no worries, no risk on your part. And we will talk about pricing in a second as well. Okay, so that's essentially it. Go through all of this in your own time. And the inside of the members area looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to have a full separate demo, a part of this review video, and in this review video I'm just going to show you some example pages and exactly what's inside of the members area. Okay, so you have the welcome video right here on the dashboard. Then you can edit my profile. So this is where you can change your picture, your name, etc. Training, I'm going to show you the training in a second. Then we have autoresponder, because obviously the main purpose of using a funnel is to actually get all the email addresses and be able to connect an autoresponder and be able to use that list down the road for free traffic on demand. Okay, so we have Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, Sendeo, and Constant Contact. So all the big autoresponders. Then we have affiliate products. So the cool thing is that you can actually access affiliate products from within the software, so you don't have to go to ClickBank or Warrior Plus. You can actually find best-selling affiliate products right here from within the software, so an additional cool feature. Then we have the done-for-you funnels. Okay, so this is exactly what you're paying for. You are getting a total of 14 done-for-you funnels, and as you can see, we have an opt-in page, a promo page, and a download page, and we can access all of the stats right here. So let me show you the opt-in page for Cinderella solution. Let's open this up, and as you can see, this is an amazing looking squeeze page for the fitness niche. Okay, so obviously these are in different niches, so you can use these as is, you can edit them, you can do whatever you want with this. Okay, so this is a squeeze page. Then we also have a promo page. So as you can see, then we have the 1 to 3 steps. That's essentially for upsells, if you want to add upsells to whatever you're promoting or giving away. And then we have the download page. So obviously this is how people will get whatever you are selling or giving away, and this is where you get additional traffic and where you can make additional money. So you can add all of these resources and all of these links. So this is how it looks like, and as you can see, we have a total of 14 done for you funnels. So we have the Cinderella solution, which is for fitness. We have Flat Belly Fix, yoga, 12-minute affiliate system, affiliate bots, ClickBank University, video marketing blaster. So just a bunch of different niches. And again, you can use these pages as is, or you can edit them to your liking, and you can even create your own funnels from scratch. Okay, so we have the new campaign right here. So again, I'm not going to be creating new campaigns from scratch right now, but I will have a full demo And as you can see, we also have the ClickBank database. And this is for ClickBank products if you want to promote ClickBank products. Now, on top of everything I just showed you, you're getting video training. So this is how it looks like. So you're gonna get video training on both how to use the software and actually how to make money with it, okay? So very newbie friendly. We have the overview, how to set up your done-for-you campaigns, how to create your own campaigns for any products, how to connect your autoresponder, how to add additional affiliate products to your download page. So this is where you're maximizing your profits. And then for the upgrades, we will talk about the upgrades in a second, but we have the conversion boosting tools, bonus builder, traffic strategies, 1, 2, and 3. And also you can subscribe to Glynn's YouTube channel and get even more free training. And as you can see, another video right here is about making huge commissions. Okay, so that's essentially that's what you're getting. Essentially, again, this is a funnel builder that comes with 14 done for you ready to go funnels. You can use them as is, or you can create your own funnels, or you can just edit the funnels that are already added in there. Now let's talk about the pricing, because this is where it gets exciting. As you can see, MagickFunnels will be $17.97. So comparing it to all the competitors I just showed you, the cheapest competitor was Lead Pages, $25 per month. This is a one-time price of just $17.97. But with that being said, this is the early bird price. So you're gonna have to show up early on April 15th at 9 a.m. Eastern. So between 9 a.m. Eastern and 3 p.m. Eastern, it will be $17.97. Then the price will jump to $19.97, and then day 2 it will be $29.97, and the price will keep on rising. Okay, so make sure to show up early. Again, that's 9 a.m. Eastern on April 15th. And then we have some OTOs, one-time offers. Okay, so let me tell you what these are right now, and then we will go deeper into it. Okay, so OTO number 1, the unlimited version, $97. OTO number 2, done for you funnels, $97 as well. OTO number 3, automated traffic flow, $97. OTO number 4, conversion boosting tool, $67. OTO number 5, bonus page builder, $67. OTO number 6, license rights, $197. Now, right here on my blog, I have a full funnel breakdown and a full written review, so you can check it out. But right now, let me go a little bit deeper into these OTOs. So the unlimited version will allow you to create unlimited funnels, create unlimited landing pages, more landing pages, templates, graphics, and a banner ad creator. So essentially unlimited everything and just additional features as well. OTO number 2, that's the done for you. So you are getting additional done for you funnels, and you also gonna get a big set of proven to convert done for you marketing materials. Okay, so just a massive done for you package. With automated traffic flow, what you're getting is a powerful traffic generator. So this upgrade essentially assures you that you are getting traffic, and that's without Facebook ads, without email marketing, without Google traffic. You're getting all this traffic. Obviously, you're gonna need traffic for all of these funnels that you're gonna be creating. Conversion boosting tools, here you are getting, you are unlocking some very, very cool features like hello bars, pop-up banners, exit pop-ups, etc. So just a bunch of features that will boost your conversions no matter what you are doing or promoting. Bonus page builder, this will allow you to create bonus pages as well as all the pages in the funnel that I just showed you. And last up, license rights, $197. This allows you to sell MagickFunnels as your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. And that's on the whole funnel. So all 7 products in the funnel, you're getting 100% commissions. Okay.